Hello my people, welcome back to our another video of Math SEO plugin. Guys, in this video we will learn how to improve SEO score on your WordPress website. This is why I really personally love Math SEO plugin. This is very easy to use, and also you will have all the complete information about the website errors or the SEO score, things you need to improve on your website. This work like a scanning. This will scan your website and provide you best tips and give you SEO score, so you will able to simply easily improve your website score on WordPress. It also help in Google ranking as well. So before we start this video, please hit a like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. As all we know, Math SEO has the option to analyze SEO score. When we install our Math SEO plugin, we see the option here, we check the option here, SEO analyzer. When we click first time here, this will ask you to analyze your website. You have to click SEO analyzer or click analyze your website, and this will give you the score, SEO score for your website. So you will have complete detail about your website, how's your website is working on SEO, and what things you need to improve in SEO to improve your this SEO score. Okay, so here when we scroll down, you will have information here, past test. We have 29 tests and 25 tests are positive, and the rest 4 we have one of them warning and rest failed test. And downside we have information. When you click on past test, this will give you all detail of the past test of your website. And then you have option here to check the warnings on your website. You can check all these options one by one, and let's check on failed test. As you can see, 3 of them we have failed test. Now let's go with all, and we will go through one by one. So number 1, we have a priority automatic updates. As you can see, for automatic updates, this fall under warning. So what this just suggests, Math suggests to enable automatic updates on your website. And also SEO here, Math provide you option to right away enable auto updates. Just you have to click enable auto updates, and then boom, you are ready to go. And next time when you analyze, you will not see this warning. And next we have common keywords. This is actually very important. If you consider common keyword depends on your business or your niche, you have to use common keyword on your home page, on your front page. If you're offering services or business, any type other business niche services, you have to provide related keywords on your front page. As example, I'm offering digital services. As you can see, common keyword service, website, my name, digital, tech services, business website, all are relative keywords. Okay, next we have a SEO description. SEO description, you must have up to 160 character SEO description on your front page. For that, let me go to my front page of website here, and if I click edit my page, in your case you might use Elementor. In Elementor you will see right side here SEO option when you start customizing your website. In my case, I'm using WordPress editor. I'm also seeing this option here. Or you can just go with the simple edit, and you will go to WordPress editor, and then you have to click this rank math top bar here, and then downside you will see review of your title description. We have to click edit snippet, and you will see description downside. This is the description we are seeing here right now. Okay, so make sure your description should be up to 160 characters. And then we have H1 heading. H1 heading, you must have H1 heading on your website. As this is my home page, if I scroll down, let me check my H1 tag. My H1 tag is complete website design service. So here it is. So you will see when I click on this title, and this is showing this is H1 tag. You also can choose set H1, H2, H3. This will really helpful for you if you use H1 tags on your front page or home page. So this way you can set H1 on your home page. And then we have H2 headings. If I scroll down to the website, I also have H2 headings. Let me scroll up. If I click on business websites or here any service, and these will be like H2 here. This is H2, right? 12-year building websites, building businesses. This is H2. You can set H1, H2, H3 tags on your website homepage. And then we have image alt. Make sure you must use alt tags, alt attributes in your images. When I go to media here and click on library, and you will see all your images here. Okay, to set alt tags you have to click edit image, and then you will see, scroll down, you will see alternate tags option. Provide alternate or alt tags here. Okay, make sure all your images must have alt tags. And then we have keywords in the title and description. Same, you also have to use those common keywords here also in title and descriptions as well. We have site taglines. If you are seeing any error, for example, I'm seeing here on the focus keyword, and you will see there are 11 pages, 89 posts with no focus keyword. But I want to fix this one. That's why I love Rank Math plugin. If I click directly here on 11 pages, this will give you information all your pages does not have alt tags. All these pages not have alt tags, as you can see, not applicable, NA. And then what I need to do, either I will click quick edit, scroll down to primary focus keyword, one by one I will go. Either I will click on edit on the about page, click on edit, and this will bring us to edit or customization area in WordPress editor. Then we have to follow the same top bar, and now you will again see here Rank Math top bar here. Scroll down to focus keyword. As you can see, we have no any focus keyword here. Just you have to provide relevant focus keyword. You are focusing on your what type of niche. Make sure you must have focus keyword on all your pages like this. Okay, let's check out. We also have 89 posts along with 11 pages, 89 posts. If I click on here, this is clickable, 89 posts, and this will give you all the list of the post. 89 posts does not have focus keyword. Then you have to also provide focus keyword for all your posts, and then you will pass this focus keyword section. And then you have post title missing focus keyword. If I click one post, I only have one post does not have a focus keyword in the title. If my focus keyword is Rank Math SEO plugin, it must be in the title section, title of my post. And then you have a mobile snapshot, and you will see what type of section you're getting error, like this one, page object. Your home page make 45 requests. More than 20 requests can result in slow page loading. So make sure in your front page you not use too much stuff here or script like iframes, heavy images, and widgets. Make sure you only keep limited stuff on your home page. Okay, let's go to some other options. Or you can follow, just click fail test and check all the fail test. You can follow one by one, and then again next time you have to click again restart SEO analyzer, and you will see your SEO score will increase. Okay, this is how you can increase your SEO score in WordPress. This is why I love RankMath. This will really help you to determine, to scan your website to check if what part of the website, what home page, which area you need to improve, or you need to provide focus keyword, H1 descriptions, and then you simply can have hover your mouse to the question mark here, and this will give you also the description here. Your site is accessible by a search engine, some other detail. Okay, so you can simply search on Google how to fix these things, and you are ready to go. So thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate that.